So today is the 21st of April 2024. It's the elevator number 5 at the Filmhögskolan, Stockholm, Sweden, and Dramatiska Institutet is also located here.
Valhallavägen 189.
Yes, that's right. Just a
Oh, look at that.
Wow. We're gonna see if it also gets the rods here.
It most likely has.
Yeah,
Because these seem to be from the same.
should be, yes. So from late 2003.
Probably not.
Let's wait for the up one to. Yeah, that they get it now, but it will get it later after we have written it, I suppose.
Yeah.
Also built in late 2003, finished in 2004, and this was taken into use in September of 2004.
Yes.
September is 1033, 1019. I think the west eastern third side runs. One right here. There's also one slow freight elevator here. And another
There's a very similar
one.
to this one.
Yes. This is the Valhallavägen. 5. Thank you. Speaking Swedish only.
No. I don't know why this is so. I've never seen that on an Fuck! I left my fingerprints on it.
Oh,
Nice.
Weird one though.
to the second floor.
Yes. Inspected by the grant maintained by St. Erik's.
Yeah.
Orange LEDs.
Yeah.
On the
Standard.
Orange is the new green.
yeah. No wrong over this.
Not in the indicator here, so let's see outside.
No.
Not on this one, but it would have it, but it's not in use.
Yeah.
So this here.
Freight elevator and the other one has it.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
This one also sounds to have like a Kone Delta motor.
Yes, the same kind of plus a delta. Yeah.
That's
Uh,